bunch of goodies from Kings, four-wheel drive super summer. Got Dominator Extreme winch, Thumper Mark II dual air compressor, and a recovery kit. Let's open them up. Alright, that's it for the unboxing. Let's test it all out. Sorry about the video quality in that last bit. I've upgraded to a better camera, so hopefully this turns out to be better. Alright, so here's the Dominator Extreme winch. I've watched a few YouTube reviews on it, and quite a number of people have pulled open the clutch housing and replaced the grease because of the quality of grease, I guess, but also because there is barely any grease in there. I'm going to do the same with mine. I want to give it the best life possible. So here we go. Time to put the new grease in. Picked this up from Supercheap, Spherol LMM from Castrol. It's a heavy duty extreme pressure grease. So they recommend use in high load applications such as ball joints and CV joints and things like that. So I thought that should be perfect for inside of here. And we'll just make sure everywhere there's a tooth is slathered in grease. next thing will be to install. Right, now it's time to install the winch. I'm going to try and cheat a little bit. I think we're meant to actually pull the whole bar off. Looks like there might be enough room if I remove the grill. So, fingers crossed. Perfect amount of room in there to accommodate. So there's 4 holes that line up with the winch. Perfect amount of room to slide it in there. This is a TJM Outback bull bar. It's got a separate winch cradle, so it bolts in from the bottom. There's some bolting from the front here. Alright, now let's talk tyre deflation and inflation. We've got the quickie deflator here. Nice pouch it comes in. I've never used one of these before, so it actually pulls the core out of the valve. We'll see how long it takes to deflate all 4 tyres, given I've never used one before. That took about 8 minutes to deflate all the tyres down to 17 psi from 38. Now let's re-inflate them and see how we go. So that took about 9 minutes, including setup time. All up, I'm happy with my purchase from Adventure Kings. The recovery gear, only time will tell. I've seen it in action, know it works. How long for? We'll wait to find out. The compressor, for the price of it, I'm definitely impressed. Puts out a lot of power, it doesn't get too hot. You can still touch it even after it's just been running, only just quickly. I did notice a little, not quite a bit of water coming out of the hose on the second go around there. Don't know if that's a thing to do with direct drive compressors, but it is something to note. The tyre deflator does work as it's meant to. As for the hose that comes with it, it's an 8-meter hose and it is plenty to wrap right around the vehicle, get to all 4 tyres, perfect. The winch, it's pretty easy to install. As with the recovery gear, only time will tell if it's a good purchase or not. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. Tell me what you think, and would you use these on your 4-wheel drive?